Open usBIM.meet and, within your web space, set a title for your video conferencing session. Copy the meeting link and share it using usBIM.chat with your collaborators. Or send it via traditional email. Then configure the microphone settings. End the meeting. Access the full menu of features. See all participants together. Share your screen. Raise or lower your hand to request permission to speak. Use the integrated chat. Activate or deactivate the camera. Even use usBIM.meet in a specific web page. Use usBIM.meet now, and take advantage of all the collaborative features.